Alex Redneck Redneck here. I bet it's that same train. Or is it? Is it that same maintenance away train? I think it is. It's going really, really, really slow. Well, we're going to do some investigating. He's moving up. Somebody's going to go around the gates. I bet somebody's going to go around the gates. There ain't gonna be anyone here. That train is going so slow though. Let's see. Huh. I don't know what CSX has got themselves into. They're gonna make me use up a lot of memory though. Somebody's gonna go around the gates. I bet it will. I just bet someone's gonna go around the gates. Not them, they're going right, but not bordered by gates there technically, so. The FRA should probably come over here. Yep, someone going around the gates. Wow, look at you. Look at you going. Look at you going around them gates. Look at you. Like an idiot. God, I wish that train was going faster. I have dark humor. I know. Oh, of course it's a Chevy driver, because you know how people that drive Chevys are really, no, they're just really bad. Chevy trucks are bad, so Chevy drivers are just as bad. So I can explain why a Chevy. Hello again. I'm gonna tell that to the engineer. I don't think Q453 is going to be coming through here anytime soon with this Tie train. He already went down this line though. Why did he have to go back? This guy's gonna make Q453 run on restricted signals. Damn, this guy's going so slow. Huh. Somebody's gonna do something stupid, I know they will. Again. If he slows down anymore, I'm gonna turn the camera off and just edit this out. Alright, that train's already on the tracks. If he stops, I'm not gonna do anything. I'm probably gonna edit this out.